Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Read Concept TV. In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your PALMPAY invitation code. Is very easy. Okay, so now as you can see in my screen, all you need to do is when you click on here that says more, okay, you click on it here that says more, then you allow it to load up. As you can see, then you scroll down. By the time when you scroll down, you come to here that says invitation. Look at it, you click on your invitation, so we allow it to load up. It is very easy how to get your PALMPAY invitation code. As you can see, it is loading up. Let's just give it a while for it to load up. Now, as you can see, this is my PALMPAY invitation code. So you can share this code to some of your friends, to some of your WhatsApp group. You can share it on Facebook. Whoever that sign up using your invitation code, you and the person get a cash reward incentive. Then how do you share it now? You come to this place that says share. You can click on it. By the time when you click on it, now it takes you can share it through WhatsApp, through your Telegram, or through your Facebook or message. But let me just I want to share it through my WhatsApp. I will now click on WhatsApp. Okay, so now let me click on WhatsApp. So I'll allow my WhatsApp to open. Okay, so now assuming now I can see, then you can share it to some of your friends and contact on WhatsApp. Assuming now I want to, let me share it to the first person on my WhatsApp group, this person. I'll just click on the person's. I'll now click on the person and WhatsApp and this thing identity. Then I'll now press the arrow, this arrow here. I'll now hit on it. So I'll now send it. Now as you can see, when this person that I send this message, by the time when he used this link to register, now as you can see from all indication here, this is the invitation code that I just showed you. Okay, so that is how easy it is getting your PALMPAY invitation code. If you are getting any value from this channel, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel Read Concept TV. In this place, I teach affiliate marketing, personal savings, how to make money online. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.